Welcome, international medical graduates. I'm Dr. Roger Washington. For many years, I've hosted a highly successful externship for international medical graduates, helping them to realize their dream of becoming doctors here in the U.S. These young doctors were a lot like you. They didn't have healthcare experience with the U.S. or know much about our culture. They were hardworking. They were diligent. They had passed their USMLE step tests. Well, I provided them with a deep dive, immersive experience in U.S. healthcare and culture, helping them to learn how to express themselves as American doctors do. Because how you express yourself determines how you'll be perceived. You see, the reality is, unfortunately, medical programs here in the U.S. prefer U.S. trained physicians. The medical directors have a doubt as to whether or not IMGs will be able to matriculate successfully, whether they'll be able to communicate with their patients and with the other doctors. Well, I help the IMGs overcome all those doubts. I help them to understand U.S. healthcare and to be able to express themselves the way U.S. doctors do. And that makes all the difference. You see, the doctors who were successful here, they were able to distinguish themselves from the other IMGs. And their communication skill set is what set them apart. Well, as it turns out, the pandemic has shown us that we can successfully practice telemedicine. And so we can live stream the lessons and the clinical materials so that offshore IMGs can participate virtually. Of course, you'll receive the all-important letter of recommendation. And as it takes at least 2 letters of recommendation, you might consider having your first experience be in our externship, which will make you far better prepared to excel in any future externships and to get even better letters of recommendation. So, that having been said, I want to invite you to join us in our growing community of successful IMGs.